Okay, it is 9:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, July 5th, 2023. In the next couple of seconds, the tornado sirens will be going off for the monthly tornado siren test. So I hope you'll enjoy the tornado siren test today. I understand that it's been yesterday was the 4th of July, and so we're hoping that everything goes well. So I hope you will enjoy today's tornado siren test. Please note this is only a test. This is not a real warning. They are tested every month on the first Sunday and the first Wednesday of the month. The tornado sirens are tested. So after this tornado siren test, August will be my final tornado siren test for 2023. Alrighty, it is 10 o'clock, so the sirens are about to go off. Thank you for watching the tornado siren test. That's it.